Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, I want to apply the laws of logarithm. So for this, log 1 over 49 base 7. This is what I will do. 1 over 49 base 7 is equal to x. So that means I will have 7 raised to power x, 7 raised to power x, raised to power x is equal to 1 over 49. You see that? Don't forget that this is the same as 7 raised to power x is equal to 1 over 7 raised to power 2. Yes, indices now. I will apply indices. So I will have 7 raised to power x. It's equal to, in indices, 1 over x raised to power 2 is equal to x raised to power minus 2. Yes. So because of this, I will change this to what? 7 raised to power minus 2. Yes, these two are equal. I'll cancel them away. So I have what? X is equal to minus 2. And that is my final answer. As simple as that. Simple as that.